Welcome to the Healthcare Beauties. Today, we will be discussing how raisin water improves sleep quality. Sleep is an essential component of a healthy and productive life. It is during this period of rest that our bodies repair and regenerate, both physically and mentally. However, for many individuals, achieving a good night's sleep can be a significant challenge. In recent years, various natural remedies have gained attention as potential aids in improving sleep quality. One such remedy is raisin water. This article delves into the potential benefits of raisin water for sleep and examines the evidence behind its use. The sleep problem in the United States. Sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome are pervasive issues in the United States. The National Sleep Foundation reports that around 50 to 70 million adults in the U.S. suffer from a sleep disorder. The consequences of poor sleep extend beyond feeling tired. They include increased risk of chronic diseases, reduced cognitive function, and decreased quality of life. With the rise in sleep disorders, many individuals are seeking natural alternatives to improve their sleep quality. One such remedy that has gained attention is raisin water. Raisin water, an ancient remedy. People have used raisin water, also known as soaked raisins or raisin-infused water, as a home remedy for centuries. This concoction is relatively easy to prepare. It involves soaking a handful of raisins in water overnight and consuming them along with the water in the morning. It is believed to have a range of health benefits, including improving sleep quality. The science behind raisin water and research. To evaluate the effectiveness of raisin water in improving sleep quality, it's important to understand the components of raisins that may contribute to this effect. Number 1. Melatonin content. Raisins contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Several studies have found that melatonin supplementation can improve sleep quality, making raisins a potential natural source of this sleep-regulating hormone. A study published in 2014 analyzed the melatonin content of various foods. Raisins were found to contain melatonin, suggesting their potential role in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. However, this study did not investigate the effect of consuming raisins on sleep quality. Number 2. Antioxidants. The raisins are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress have been linked to sleep disturbances, making antioxidant-rich foods like raisins promising for improving sleep quality. Research published in the journal Nutrients in 2016 highlights the potential benefits of antioxidants found in raisins. The study showed that antioxidants can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are associated with sleep disturbances. While the study did not specifically look at raisin water, it supports the idea that antioxidant-rich foods, like raisins, could have a positive impact on sleep. Number 3. Nutrient profile. Raisins are a good source of essential nutrients such as iron, potassium, and fiber, which can have a positive impact on overall health. Nutritional deficiencies can contribute to sleep problems, and including nutrient-dense foods like raisins in your diet may help alleviate these issues. A study published in 2015 explored the relationship between nutrient intake and sleep quality. It found that a diet rich in certain nutrients, such as potassium and iron, was associated with better sleep. Raisins are a good source of these nutrients, suggesting a potential link between raisin consumption and improved sleep quality. Raisin water and sleep quality. In addition to the scientific research, suggests that raisin water can indeed help improve sleep quality. Many individuals have reported experiencing better sleep after incorporating raisin water into their nightly routine. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to Healthcare Beauties, and click the subscribe button below this video.